Welcome to Credit Josh YouTube channel. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Credit Josh. Yes, you heard it right. It's Credit Josh, not GBC. It's Credit Josh. Credit Josh is here for you today. We have a good announcement. We have a special guest, as you can see here to my, I don't know if that's the left or right, but that's what makes me Credit Josh. Dimitry. We got Dimitry in the house. You guys may know him from past videos. Dimitri's in the house. He's going to tell you guys a little inside thing about how you can make money on another side hustle. And it may not even be a side hustle. It could be your main hustle. But anyways, you guys know Dimitry from Credit Repair Co. If you watch the past videos, we've already put out like 4 or 5 videos. You guys should know him. If you haven't already, go back and watch those videos. Those links will be in the description below. Check him out, please. Before I let him take it over, if you guys need any inquiry removal or credit repair, all the information will be in the description below. Reach out to him. He'll give you guys a deal. When you contact him, make sure you heard it. You tell him you heard from either GBC or Credit Josh, because he ain't gonna give you a discount unless you mention me. With all that being said, take it over, Dimitry.
Yeah, hey everybody, I'm Dimitry. Thank you so much for such a warm introduction, Josh. Here we are again. We did record a few videos in the past, and if you don't know who I am, I encourage you to look him up, because we did talk on a few different topics. How to increase your odds to get approved for credit, how to remove security alert. But look, guys, I want this video to be special. I want this video to be filled with some motivation and encouragement, because I talk to clients all day long, and I understand your position. Your arms are tight. You don't know where to go because your credit is messed up. I get it. I get it. So that's where we come in. I'm going to share with you a little bit about who I am and about my background. And then I'll share with you what, how of value I can be to you. Okay. And then you can just click on the link in the description, and I'll give you a special code in the end of this video for special pricing when it comes to credit restoration or inquiry removals. That's it. And I only give special pricing for Josh, that's it.
There's nobody else. Like,
Yeah,
you gonna look
it.
him up. He don't do it for anybody but me.
No,
But I also don't accept, like, Dimitri trying to pay me for leads. I refuse to accept it.
Right.
Because I rather give you guys discount. And look, I'm looking at you guys. I swear, I don't make anything off this at all. I want you guys to be successful, because you guys will keep coming back to me if I keep giving you guys good deals, good gems and stuff. And that's what I keep doing. And that's what I do my best.
All we're trying to do is to bring as much value as possible, So originally I'm from Russia. I moved to United States in 2001. I spent about 5 years in San Francisco, got married, and moved to LA. My background is in finance. I graduated from a major Russian college with degree in financial management. I was a currency trader at the age of 18. Okay. When I moved to the States, I started, like all immigrants, to do construction. 4 years later, I got my general contractor's license. I built in every zip code in Northern California. I did remodeling. Not me personally, but I managed all that. And then when I moved to LA in 2008, the crash, all that. So I moved quickly into finance, because I had a tech company in San Francisco at one point in 2004, and I kind of got stuck with a lot of hard inquiries. So I needed to figure out how to get them removed, and I was able to do that, and that's how the credit repair company got started around that time. And I think around 2008, I met Josh, and he was helping me with my websites and SEO and stuff like that. I'm sorry, it's SEO.
Yeah, I see.
The theme of this video, I wanted to, when I start any of my businesses, I start with the end in mind, and the end in mind for me is retiring right now. I want to think about retiring. I don't need billions of dollars, but I should be okay with 100,000 a month income, wouldn't you? Okay, and in California, it's great money. Okay, in other states, it's great money. So how can I get to that number? Okay, um, so there, so that's why I was thinking, when me and Josh were talking, what what I can bring, what value, and I wanted to talk about how you can fix your credit, buy a house, and retire. Okay, and do it again with a second property. So to double your retirement income. And maybe, I just met a Filipino lady. She has 4 houses, just, and she licensed them as assisted living facilities for elderly. Each house makes about 20,000 for her. So, we're working on another house for her. And in the meantime, I'm buying a house for myself to get licensed, second house to get licensed for to be an assisted living facility as well. So this is what I wanted to mention today. If you do have some sort of credit issues, or a lot of hard inquiries, you've been shopping for a mortgage or been shopping for a car, please come in and give us a call. There's going to be a link in the description below, and we're going to give you a special promo code. Just mention that, and you'll get a special treatment. So when it comes to credit and inquiries, now Josh mentioned that we're licensed in all 48 states. In 48 states, not all, but in 48 states for mortgages. That is correct. And if you have any questions regarding loans, like if you're a veteran, I'll be more than happy to help you out. If you need just a regular FHA, if it's your primary residence or secondary residence, I can help you with that. If you're self-employed, I can help you with that as well.
It's not that impossible. It just takes the right broker.
That is correct. Yeah.
It takes the right broker to get the right documents prepared to submit to the actual financial institution. Am I wrong about that?
No, you're absolutely right. Sometimes it requires a letter from CPA. Sometimes it requires profit and loss. Sometimes requires.
But a mortgage broker like you are gonna help prepare all that.
Sure, yeah.
And it's not like you're charging for that because you're making money from the loan itself, right? It's not like you're charging a upfront fee for.
No. There is no upfront fee at all. No.
Because you're making money off the back end, just so
we get paid by the lender. Yes,
right.
We get paid by the lender, not by the client.
Just so people understand, like you're not charging a fee. No. Now on the credit repair, that's a separate thing.
Right.
But for mortgage broking, Dimitri's going to be able to guide you if you're self-employed. Those are the harder mortgage loans to get, but it's not impossible. You just get your ducks in order. Just have your ducks in order.
Yeah.
And Dimitry will help you get your ducks in order. And it may take a couple of months, 6 months, or whatever. He's going to guide you. He had to go through the test. I'll tell you, to get licensed in one state is tough as a mortgage broker. But to get licensed in 48 states, I would tell you, 40% people that take this test, 40% fail, only 60% pass.
Something like
Versus
that.
when they take it in just one state, it's like 73% pass.
Right. Yeah, I heard that.
60-40 for the 48 states. So he passed it. It's not easy. So he knows what he's talking about.
Oh yeah. By the way, here's
very big
what we do for all of your clients. This is a limited time offer that we're giving to all of your clients from Josh, especially for you only. We're not gonna charge any subscription fee. No, like
no. I think we need to do it just for like 7 days only. Because
No, I'm gonna do it for first 50 clients. Okay. Basically, there's going to be zero credit evaluation fees. It's just going to be a monthly fee, period. We're going to spend hours and evaluate your credit. We're going to, make sure that we have a plan how to attack all of your negative information on the report. We're going to make sure what personal identifier has to be removed. If you have any duplicate stuff, outdated stuff, we're going to have to remove all of that. So none of that stuff going to be an extra charge for you. And the promo code will be in the description below.
Chad's going to put a huge thing that's going to say endorse, like a stamp across your face.
Nice.
Anyways, go back to it.
So yeah, basically, we want to keep this video short and sweet. We already mentioned that how we can be of value to you in terms of credit repair and hard income removal.
I guess with all that being said, do you have anything else that you want to say, Dimitry?
I just want to wrap it up and mention once again that I appreciate you, Josh, a lot. I appreciate all of your audience. I hope we bring value because, that's my number one goal every time I'm calm. And it's 11:30 p.m. at night, midnight almost, and I'm making this
3 p.m. here.
Yeah, so I want to bring value in every way possible. So if you have questions about credit, inquiries, mortgages, home equity lines of credit, or self-employed, and you need a mortgage, let me know. We'll be able to help you out. And like I said, the special only for you and for your clients, Josh, we're waiving credit report evaluation, $350 value. We're waiving that for first 50 clients. Okay. The link will be in the
not just waiving, but you're going to give them also a discount for everything else.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely. Yes. All of your clients get a special treatment with the promo code Credit Josh 777. I hope it goes right there somewhere. Credit Josh 777.
Yeah, we'll have it there.
Yep,
and in the link in the description below.
That's it.
You guys take care. All of Dimitri's contact information is going to be in the description below. You guys check that out. But keep in mind, this video wasn't trying to upsell you or sell you to Dimitry. He's just trying to explain like the assisted living, how you can make money, because everybody is stuck on this whole Toro thing and Airbnb arbitrage thing, and that's gonna die up very quickly. It already is. It's getting flooded. But you know what's not getting flooded is what Dimitri's talking about.
I didn't mention too much about
because
it.
that takes a little time, and you have to talk to Dimitry about that.
Yeah,
but
in details. Yeah, right now we didn't mention much about that. It just we were talking
right. But I'll also refer the video for GBC that you talked in detail more about it. But regardless, you need to not invest into a car. In my opinion, you need to at least have a free consultation with Dimitry and see what you could do and where your finances would best fit you for, say, a possible business opportunity, whether it be a Subway franchise or a Burger King franchise or assisted living or 4 Toro cars. Doesn't matter, but do your own research, but always listen to people that I bring on my channel and look at both of my channels. How many people have I brought on? I'm bringing you the best and only the best. And Dimitri's the best when it comes to credit repair. Forget all those other nonsense YouTubers that are talking about upselling credit repair. They're getting paid like thousands of dollars to sell you for credit repair. Dimitri's not paying me nothing. I don't allow him to pay me. Pass the discount on to you, and he's not charging you thousands of dollars. With all that being said, you guys take care. Dimitri's the man. All of his information will be in the description below. Final words, Dimitry?
No, I don't think so. We're about to maybe make another video.
We'll make more We'll make more videos. You guys follow Dimitry, and we're gonna have it. I think we're gonna make a channel. Me and Dimitry are gonna make a channel together for the mortgage part.
Mortgage channel. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
All
See
right.
you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.
All right, you guys take care. Thank you guys so much. Again, any information, either credit repair or you need a mortgage broker in 48 states, contact Dimitri. All of the information will be in the description below. Till next time, you guys take care. Thank you again. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. It's Credit Josh, not GBC. Credit Josh. Hit the subscribe button because you might think you're already subscribed because of GBC. You're not. Please hit that subscribe. Till next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.